Sanibonani. Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a beautiful weekend. Sithi welcome umakoti we-country uAmahle Biyela, umakoti kaMpumelelo Mseleko, njengoba nani nisazi ukuthi hayi uMpumelelo uhambile ke wayilobola uAmahle, and hayi abantu nabo bayasho ukubana thina njenge-country Nkosi yami siyakuthanda we-Amahle. Abantu bayasho ukubana hayi bayazifela ngo-Amahle, and hayi siyambongela Nkosi yami uSibindi ukuthi hayi kuyakhanya kuyavela Nkosi yami ukuthi hayi ikhona lento i-country nayo eyibonayo le eyabonwa nguSibindi ku-Amahle Biyela. Abantu bayasho nje njengoba ashilo nje kule volume lekuthi kukhale sakhe isicathulo, ukuthi bazwa ngayo. Nakho nje ubhubezi anjalo elibhubezi wavese wathi hayi makusheshwe Nkosi yami, ngoba nakweyinye ividiyo besho nje athi ngiyasenyanya isithembu somjolo. Sokusho ukuthi uSibindi uvese wabona ukuthi hayi ngisheshe ngiyezibonikalisa ukuthi hayi ngibani ke, njengoba nemazi nani uSibindi ubhubezi okwachiwo ngutatake uMusi Mseleko ukuthi Sibindi uyabulala uphinde uphilise. Nako ke isibindi sikaSibindi simphilisile. There he is. Sithi hayi yes makoti kaSibindi siyakuthanda siyi-country. Welcome. Hayi sisafuna ukubona ke lento le ebonwa nguSibindi ukubana lento ayithanda ngo-Amahle Nkosi yami. She's young, she's beautiful, she's vibrant, she's very calm, and we love her. She's beautiful, she's down to earth. So yeah, let me know, what do you guys think about Amahle compared to everyone that has been introduced as partner ka Mpumelelo Mseleko? As we know, we've met a few ladies that were introduced as abantu bakaSibindi. Everyone else compared to Amahle. What is your scale ngaye? 1 out of 10. Do you love her? Do we like her? Do we super love her? Is it a thumbs up? Is it a yay? Is it a nay? What's your point of view Nkosi yami? Uzowimela lento kaSibindi, uzakumela uSibindi. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.